Hi friends, here in this video I'll explain the MCQ on design of belt conveyor system. So let's start. Now here is the question given. It is said, which of the following belt conveyors have low volume carrying capacity? Four options are given. First is flat belt, then trough belts, then both A and B, and D, it is none of the above. Flat belts, as we know, they would be flat, and when we talk about trough belts would be in this way, they would be inclined. So just by looking at the diagram, this is the conveying material. So when it is kept over the flat belt, we can see one of the disadvantage of the flat belt is that the conveying material can fall easily from the flat belt, whereas in case of troughing idlers or troughing belts, the material can be conveyed over a long distance, and at the same time we can carry more material. So which of the following belt conveyors have low volume carrying capacity? So obviously trough belts, they have high volume carrying capacity. Then C is given both A and B. So C is not the correct answer because both cannot be the low volume carrying capacity, because out of them I had explained trough idlers are preferred for high volume carrying capacity, and none of the above is also the wrong answer. So the correct answer is, which of the conveyors have low volume carrying capacity? Those are the flat belts. They cannot carry huge amount of material. So that's the answer. At the end, if you'll find my videos helpful, you can like, share, comment and subscribe our channel and share it amongst your family and friends. Thanks for watching.